So on my little setup, 3D printed some, I call them pipe standoffs. Just go down in there like that. I'm going to have to put one in the center, I think, because this pipe, see how it wants to deflect? And I think just one in the middle is going to be the ticket. There again, too, 3D printer, nothing fancy. I don't care if they wear out, I can print more. I mean, I'm not going to use this but a couple times a year, maybe. It was just a fun little project put together. Not high tech, gets the job done. And of course, having a nice plunger adder helps. I've had this several years. It's a DeWalt 618. I think it's 2.25 horse. So gonna want to shim over 2.5. I have to find a home for that. I'm just gonna leave that there. Find a shim or something for underneath there. You cheat like everybody else does. 180 C.
180 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 356 degrees Fahrenheit.
I wonder if I might get a copyright strike on that. I don't know. Okay. So I'm guessing that's hot enough. You'll be able to see me on this side, I think. Yep. There it comes. Well, it works like a glue gun. I'll have to say that. This is my jig for my first attempt with new setup. Instead I don't have a great big old CNC. So these are just made with my new bamboo printer. I'm not doing a lot of production work, so I'm not worried about the fact that this stuff could slide off at some point. This is just for me playing in the workshop. So if you make anything like this, you do so at your own risk. I made some pipe standoffs, got on, what is it, Tinkercad or one of those things. So hopefully my glue will set up. Like I said, several years ago I had a bigger design. Didn't work out. but I had made this track to slide my router back and forth on. There again, I'm not doing building cabinets, furniture. This is just me seeing if I can smooth out some boards from time to time. I don't know if you can, may have to. I think you can see it that way better. Just slides back and forth. I had it to cut off more this flat edge. I'm just going how deep I can. Yeah, I'm getting way down there. Try to determine my high spot. I'm going to call that my high spot. A little bit more. Kind of chewing that up there. Didn't turn out too bad. I mean, it's an old piece of wood, a lot of cracks and stuff, but nice and smooth. I shouldn't say smooth, flat. This is where I was playing around with this piece of wood a few years ago. So now I have to figure out whether or not I want to try to bandsaw that or what I even want to do with this. Almost looks like a clock, or do something with it. Got ideas? Let me know in the comments, please. Thanks for watching.